How to top up your wallet here on Veeka. So in the Veeka app, how to top up your wallet here on Veeka. All we need to do right now is open up our Veeka right here. Once we open up our Veeka right here, to top up our wallet right here, all we need to do here on the bottom right corner, you see me, not you, me. Isn't cool. Anyways, right here, once you're here right now, click on the me on the bottom right corner. After pressing on me on the bottom right corner, you'll be located right here. Now, if you're asking me, where can I tap up? I said tap up, not me and whatnot. So right here, all we need to do is click on gold bean. After pressing on gold bean right there, here are the selected amounts. Also, see, for 38, it's only, I think, 40 cents. Yeah. And for 128, it's for 90 cents. And for like 388, it's for like $3. Yeah, $3 somewhere within there. But yeah, if you want to buy it, click on that. It's an example, guys, and there you go. Click on one tap buy, or if you haven't yet added your credit, or maybe your PayPal here on, what do you call this, here on your Google Play. Yeah, so you won't be able to buy it, so you need to add it first. But it's okay if you buy it right here. You can automatically add it right here, and then you will be able to top up your wallet here on Veeka Play. Veeka. So there. I hope you guys the video was enjoyed. So that's how you top up your wallet here. There. Anyways, guys, see you next one. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys if you have any more questions, concerns, you can always type it in the comment below, guys. I have to answer as soon as possible here how to rock it. And thank you, guys.